going on with my daily driver? Like, what is going on? What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I am your favorite cousin Jess, back on your screen, looking real rough. Good morning. I don't know what's going on. So essentially what the Jeep has been doing is, you know, you get to a stoplight or you get anywhere where you need to stop, and I'm putting on brakes and I have the automatic start stop on all the time just because I don't know, it's eco-friendly, right? But what it's been doing is when I've been taking my foot off the brake pedal to bring it back into the start mode, it's going like, don't. I'm like, what's wrong with you? As of yesterday, the little circle with the A with the arrow and the little exclamation point has come up, and it's saying that start and stop system is not working or some shit, whatever that message just said. It's 8:39 and I'm headed to the dealership because I don't know what the fuck going on with my daily driver. Like, what is going on? So I need to get it fixed. I had been Googling a little bit. I thought they was gonna tell me my Jeep had cancer, but luckily they just said it's most likely something to do with the battery. However, I just changed this battery less than 2 years ago. I don't know what that means for anything. I feel like the battery should not go in 2 years, but I don't know how much power, you know, this Jeep is taking. I don't know. Hopefully, you know, they can get me right. If not, if I see something on this lot, I ain't gonna trade it in. I'm lying. I'm honestly lying. Like, I'm not about to trade this in. All right, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm right here. Hello. Back at the crib. Finally, it's 11:26. Just wanted to chit chat with y'all real quick about what the issue was with the Jeep. So, like I said right before I got to the dealership, I did take the Jeep back in November of 2021 because I was having an issue with the battery. Like, the Jeep would not start. The display or whatever would come on, but it was kind of like the blue screen of death. I don't know what was going on with the Jeep. So, come to find out, it needed a battery. Luckily, the battery and stuff is under warranty. So this time, the battery didn't affect the Jeep starting so much. It only affected the auto stop and start, which I don't know what the difference between the cells in the battery this time versus the cells in the battery. Last time, maybe it wasn't enough cells to actually start the truck, whereas this time it only affected the auto start and stop. I don't know. I ain't no mechanic. I'm just glad that it's fixed now. But essentially what they did was replaced the auxiliary battery, which is the same battery that they replaced less than 2 years ago. So I guess the way I'm taking it, I got another good 2 years to go with this new battery before I'll be replacing it again, and I pray that it's still under warranty. I mean, I don't think no battery costs no more than like $250, which is reasonable. However, who wants to keep having to pay for batteries or, you know, going through this issue every 2 years? Not me, not she. So I don't know. And furthermore, I was just really worried about the cost, number one, because literally, you guys, literally less than 2 weeks ago on the 8th, today is the 18th, I had to take it because number one, it needed an oil change, it needed a tire rotation, which is all covered under warranty. However, my brakes were like stupid squeaky, and that basically boiled down to the fact that the Armor oil that I'm putting on my tires is most likely getting on the rotor and or the caliper, and it's causing it to spray on there, and when I put on brakes it squeak. Okay, boom, because I still have 70% life on those brakes, so I shouldn't have to get brakes for a brick. Got the truck in 2019, it's 2023, so I'm hoping that 70% just kind of glides, you know. Furthermore, it was also time or dealer suggested, which is fine for me because I mean, I don't think they be trying to get over on me, but also with warranty and coupons, like it's not much that they could got over on. I needed to do my brake system flush, so they did the entire brake fluid system on that date, which was like $200. And then I also needed to replace my center console latch because that was broken. I don't know if I'm heavy-handed and I was just like opening it too fast, but the spring broke, but that wasn't included in my warranty, so I had to pay to get that fixed, and that was a total of $90. And then furthermore, it just smelled real dank and musty whenever I turned the air on. Like it was just real funky and I didn't like it. So I assumed that, you know, the air cabin filter as well as the air filter that's under the hood needed to be replaced, and I'm sure it did because like I said, it's been what, couple years since I had that Jeep. So got that replaced as well, and that was a total of $120 I think for both of them, plus labor and stuff. So on the 8th, I spent $460. So I wasn't trying to spend shit today based on what was going on with the Jeep. So I'm so glad that it was covered under warranty, so I didn't have to pay anything. They redid the warranty under this new battery, so I'm guessing it's good for another 2 years. Which is fine with me because once something start acting up, I'm gonna just go ahead and take it back, get them to replace the battery before the warranty ends, and boom, bam, bow. That's been what's going on with the Jeep. I didn't film this just because everything just kind of came out of nowhere. 2 weeks ago, I did not have my camera on me, and all this shit kind of just sprung upon me. Like the brakes were just like, and then the latch broke, and then it just started stanking, and I was just like, yeah, let me just take this real quick, get it out of the way. So this is me just mentioning, you know, what's been going on with the Jeep to you guys. I've been keeping my camera on me just because you never know what's gonna happen. So as far as maintenance issues, nothing completely drastic as far as price, as far as what's going on with it. Like, yes, $460 is a lot. However, I am thankful and grateful that I'm at a place in my life where, you know, that coin ain't really gonna make me or break me. Like, I had it. It didn't take away from anything else. I didn't have to rob Peter to pay Paul and then call Brenda and tell Linda to come through. You know what I mean? And I'm pretty sure, I mean, I'm positive this could have been cheaper somewhere else just because, like, their labor is fucking retarded. Like, this $460, half that was labor. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm just the type, for me, you know, it's a brand new vehicle. Why wouldn't I just take it back to where I got it from? Because if something does go wrong in the future, everything is covered under warranty. They have to take care of it. So yes, that is where we are with that. Right now, I think I'm about to just finish editing. I was editing a lot while I was sitting there. And then I think I'm gonna work out, and then I'm waiting on the package. So I'm gonna call y'all back when I gotta go get that package. All right, hang up, cousin.
Sometimes this life can be confusing.
Got the package, cousin. Got the goods. But first, just wanted to let y'all in on a little something that is my biggest pet peeve. The thing that really grinds my gears. A dirty screen. A dirty screen, cousin. One that's just riddled with fingerprints and just scratches and smears. Ugh, look at it. Oh, just look at it, cousin. Dirty, dirty pig. But luckily for me, Screen Protect has gifted me this HD screen protector to hopefully help with, you know, scratches and fingerprints and any type of damage that can be caused to my 8.4-inch infotainment screens, as well as my dash screens and mileage and everything that goes on behind the steering wheel. So let's see what she hitting. And it comes with 2 for the infotainment screen, and it also comes with 2 for the dash. It comes with this spray bottle that already has soap in it, and it also comes with a cloth as well as a squeegee. All right, so let's install this baby and see what she hitting on.
Ay, one time like, 2 time like, ay, me pop up.
I don't know, y'all, because you can definitely see, even after wiping it one time with the soap solution, the embedded fingerprints, like where I touch all the time. And then right here, this fingerprint right here is the Apple CarPlay. And then you can see like some scratches and just, yeah, it's a little bit of damage on this screen because I just be boop, 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 boop. But I mean, I'm guessing maybe the HD film will take the damage away. I don't know. We gonna see.
Say, let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe, I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay, old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any full pack of top papers.
Alright, so installation on the actual infotainment screen was not that hard. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if y'all can see, but I can see. I do still see a lot of just the fingerprint marks that basically embedded in the screen. You see where I press the Apple Play button.
I could probably fit your needs in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you.
Alright, so on this one, I think this is just maybe a tad bit too small because over here, you can see in the corner too, there's just a tad bit of a gap right here as well, but more so on this side, as you can see, and there's just a little one over here. But I don't think this could be readjusted any more than I have. Like I could move it over to this side maybe a little bit more, but then there's still going to be a gap on both sides. So alright, cousin, so that install definitely wasn't too bad. After allowing these to cure for a couple hours, they giving exactly what it's supposed to give. Yes, you're gonna see fingerprints. I feel like you can't really get away from fingerprints, but it does kind of give the appearance that it resists them just a little bit, and it's just a quick and easy wipe with a rag to get those off. Once again, this product was gifted to me and all opinions are my own. The company did not pay me or ask me to give them a positive review or anything of that nature. I am just giving you guys my honest opinion about this product, so feel free to check the link in the description box if you guys just want to check these screen protectors out for your vehicle. Disclaimer, it is at no additional cost to you. I just will receive a little bit of commission on the back end that just helps to keep the channel prospering and also to just support the channel. But just want to thank you guys so much for spending these couple of days with me as a daily Jeep Wrangler driver. Y'all know the vibes, y'all know how it go. Nothing against, you know, any other vehicle. It's just Jeep life. But thank y'all so much for tuning in, and if you are a real one, then I will be seeing you in my next one. Peace, y'all.
Like a Seminole, no exaggeration, all my literature be literal. Little do they know I do it bigger than they thought it though. Ain't no flexing with this weapon, fuck you think I bought it for. Police call me radical, your wifey think I'm nautical.